Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model 3 glass roof cracking and the potential problems that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla Model 3 vehicles, cracking of the panoramic glass roof has been observed under specific conditions. This issue does not affect all vehicles and is not limited to a single model year. The glass roof is a structural laminated component designed to withstand significant force, but cracking can still occur depending on environmental exposure, external impact, or manufacturing-related factors. The appearance and severity of cracks can vary, ranging from small stress fractures to more visible spreading lines. Verified information shows that one documented cause is external impact, such as debris or stones striking the glass at speed. Even when impact points are not immediately obvious, stress can later propagate into visible cracks. Another verified factor involves thermal stress. Rapid temperature changes, such as extreme heat followed by cooling, can place stress on large glass panels and may contribute to cracking in some cases. Manufacturing tolerances and installation alignment have also been examined in verified reports, where uneven mounting or localized stress points could play a role. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. As a possible contributing factor, body flex or torsional stress during driving on uneven surfaces could be related in some situations, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. In verified cases reviewed, cracks often develop without immediate warning and may expand over time once the integrity of the glass is compromised. General corrective guidance includes professional inspection to determine whether damage is consistent with impact, stress-related cracking, or installation factors. Replacement of the glass roof is typically required once cracking occurs, as repair is not generally feasible for laminated automotive glass. Coverage and responsibility can vary depending on warranty terms, impact evidence, and service evaluation. Reviewed information indicates that glass roof cracking is not widespread across all Model 3 vehicles and occurrence varies by production period, usage conditions, and environmental exposure. Some vehicles may never experience this issue, while others may encounter it under specific circumstances. In conclusion, Tesla Model 3 glass roof cracking is influenced by a combination of external impact, thermal stress, and potential installation-related factors rather than a universal design flaw. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and proper assessment is required to determine cause and resolution. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.